This retreat has been one of the most amazing experiences in my life. We connected with so many different women of so many different backgrounds, and just learning about everyone's story has been absolutely amazing. And I absolutely love Susan, and everything she's planned has just one. I think Angel said this, each experience has been better than the one before. I think my favorite workshop was the body image workshop, because I feel like that's when I finally started opening up and being vulnerable. And I feel like everyone was really there to support each other and just be there for each other and make each other feel beautiful. And just like the hugs we shared after it was so nice. It made me feel like I was at home. I love Susan. I think she's the greatest person I've ever met, and I will be forever grateful for everything she's ever done for me.